What's up, YouTube? It's Ben again, back to another unboxing for you guys. And you know what? It's the Euro 2024 seasons, and I got myself a new pair of Nike cleats. And this one, it's not the Euro colorway, but it's someone who wears it. And it's a Nike Mercurial Zoom Superfly 9 MDS Elite firm ground in a size 10.5 US. And these cleats are very special because Cristiano Ronaldo wears the cleats in the Euros, and also it has his name, CR7 signature in the boots. And I bought this from soccerpro.com. So it's a normal gray Nike box. It says Nike logo, not a logo, but Nike words on it. And then when you open it, and the colorway is green. Let's take the cleats out real quick. And also it comes with a green string backs with a Nike swoosh on the front with the logo MDS, designed and engineered to the exact specifications of Mercurial athletes. And on the back, it's just a small Nike logo, black string, nothing inside. But yeah. So box away. So the colorway, to be exact, is green strike and black. So here you go, guys. This is the pair of Nike Mercurial Zoom Superfly 9 MDS, the CR7 version. Looking at the shoes, I really like it. I tried it in Dick's Sporting Goods once, and I tried to look for better deals online, and the fit is just perfect. It's so comfortable when wearing it compared to, I usually wear a lot of like low cut version, like the Vapors. I had only the Nike Magista Opera and the Phantom GX, and this one in the high cut, high cut versions. So when I tried it, it's pretty comfortable. I would say it's more comfortable than the Phantom GX. It's about the same like the Nike Magista Opera for me. So the cleats are just green with black Nike swoosh, black MDS logo, black green laces. On the other side, you have the Air Zoom with ACC logo on it, with Vapor Pulsite flying it. ACC stands for All Condition Control, and with the another like black Nike swoosh. The outsole has the Air Zoom outsole with all greens. This is the firm ground variations. I was planning to buy the AG, but I find better deals with the FG. And in the insole, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's the MDS logo with the CR7 branding inside. It makes specifically for Cristiano Ronaldo, I think. And also I know that Kylian Mbappe also wears it. And here's the other one. Just gonna show you. Here's the tag. It says the dynamic fit color creates a seamless integrations between the boots and the lower legs. So yeah, that's it, guys. I had the another one, the Vapor 11 in this green, and I find it, I feel like I'm more suitable with this green colorway, but we'll see how it goes on the field. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. Peace.